What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another episode with a GSXR here today. So anytime, obviously, as you put LEDs on a car or motorcycle, due to the amperage and watts it takes, you get the hyper flash. So to correct that issue today, we're going to be installing a LED flasher relay for the GSXR specific. On the 06, 07, K6, K7 GSXRs, the relay is located under the C here, but for the 2008 model years, they have relocated it to the rear left side rear tail right here. So the relay is literally right here underneath it. So I'll show you how to remove this piece and install the new relay. Alright, so on the left side, underneath the rear tail, kind of hard to see because it's dark. There's one clip right there. These are pushing types, so the center of these pieces right here, you just push them in and then just pull it right out. One right there, and then the second one is right there. So just push those two clips in and you can just pull them right out. By the way, here's the Competition Works fender illuminator kit with my own custom LED setup. Here's one clip right here, one clip right here, and the third clip right there that you take off, and this whole entire piece right here will come out as one. Just make sure to slide it underneath the other piece right here on the outside if you don't want to take that one off. So those three clips right there, and then this whole piece will you just wiggle it a little bit. Just be careful of this tab on this side. There's a tab that indents into the rear of the tail. Just be careful not to pull it and break that. Alright, so right here under the left side of the rear fairing, there's the relay for the turn signals right there. On each side there's like a little clip where you just pop it on each side and then just pull the relay out at the same time. Here is the final product. As you can see, normal hyper flash, clean, solid. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next episode. Hit the bell.